Hi, I'm Daniel, and today I'm going to walk you through setting up your school with Playground. When you first log on, you'll see that there's pretty much nothing here, so we're going to need to start populating it. The first thing to add is a classroom. So we can come onto the classroom over here underneath My School and press Add Class on the top right. Here you can create a new class. I'm just going to call ours Hungry Hippo. You'll see that the classroom was created here. The next thing we want to do is we can go over here and add some staff members. You'll see that I'm already added. I'm Daniel. I'm going to add another administrator, Josh Andrews. Oops. You will have access to everything on the website as well as everything on the app as he's an admin. You see I can mark that there. If I also have a teacher who's assigned specifically to a class, let's say Sasha, I can add him here, his name, his email, and then I can mark him as a teacher. If he's assigned to a specific class, I can mark him as a Hungry Hippo class member. You can assign teachers to multiple classrooms as well. So I'll save that. Josh and Sasha have automatically received sign-up links in order to sign up. You'll see that they were invited on the left here, and once they've signed up, it'll change to signed up. And you'll also be able to see that Sasha is associated with one classroom, whereas me and Josh are associated with all of the classrooms, as we're not assigned a classroom yet. Cool. So we have staff, we have classrooms. You'll see now when I click onto a classroom that Sasha is associated with the class. And this helps us create the ratios as well as other information for your classroom. But you'll see that we still do not have any students here. So there's two different places I can add students. Either on this Classrooms tab when I click in, and I can press the Add Student button over here, or I can press the Students button right here and add students to the school one by one. So I'm just going to add Jenny Smith. She's also in the Hungry Hippos. You're able to include additional information such as birthdays, address, cities, allergies, medications, and comments as well. I'm not going to do that right now, but feel free. Families can also update that information as well. Jenny's mom is named Samantha. I don't have her phone number, but I do have her email, Samantha, and she is her mother. I can press finish. And you'll see this will create the student for me. I'm also going to be prompted to send them a sign-up link in order to create their account as well. I'm going to skip it right now, but I'll show you how to do that later. So you'll see I now have a student, one active student. I can click on a student to get more information about them. So for example, I can see their birthday, their address, medications, age, allergies, comments, just as before. I can see any notes. I can see their activity log as well. So these are any meals that might have been recorded, drinks, absences, bathrooms, all of that will show up over here. The attendance log will show all of their sign-in and sign-outs. And then their programs logs will show any after-school or before-school programs that they may have been checked into. I can also see their guardians. Here you see Samantha, which is Jenny's mom. She's a primary guardian. Primary guardians just mean that they're able to edit other guardian information, pay bills, look at documents, and see photos from the classroom. I can also set a schedule as well. So for example, if Jenny only comes Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I can set that. I can change the times as well. All right, going back to the student overview. We still only have one student, but next thing I want to show is the guardians. So these are the list of all of the guardians, parents and guardians in the school. I can filter by relationships such as mother, father, grandmother, legal guardian, all of these other demarcations. I can send individual sign-up links by pressing this. I can edit guardians by pressing the edit button. Change the name, change the relationship, change any of the information here. And I can also copy a sign-up link so that way I can send it over to Samantha. Here's a big thing though. If you want to invite the entire school at once, all of the parents and guardians, you can press this button right here, send sign-up link, and then press a send sign-up email, and this will send an email to every single parent and guardian at the school. And you'll now see Samantha is invited. Cool. Other thing I want to show you is programs. If you want to create any after-school programs, before-school programs, etc., in order to invite your parents, so I'll just copy this helper text, after-school care. I can save that. I'll be able to see all of the students, but I can actually enroll students into this program as well. So that way I can quickly check them in or check them out. And you'll now see she is enrolled. I can also see if they've been checked in or checked out to the program on the dashboard or on the app as well. The next thing I want to show you is announcements. So this is how you can send communication out to the entire school at once. I can press this new message button. I can select recipients, so I can send it to everybody. That's all people who have the Playground app. All staff, so that's only people marked as staff over here. Only the guardians, specific classrooms, or multiple classrooms. Right now I'm going to send an announcement to everybody saying, welcome to Playground. Welcome to the Playground app. We are excited to begin using Playground to communicate in our school and to track attendance. You can also add in attachments. We support images, videos, documents, PDFs, anything that you want, you can attach, and that will show up on the app. And you can also send it as an email, and this will email out to all of the parents and guardians and staff members as well with the attachments. For example, if you're trying to send out a class schedule, if you're trying to send out a roster of parent information, whatever it might be, this is a great way to do it. I'll press the send button here, and everybody who has an account will get a notification. And if you select the email, they'll also receive an email. The next thing I want to show you is our reporting feature. We have a very comprehensive reporting feature, which should be able to build out reports for any type of information you'd like. This is one of our most actively developed parts of our website. So if you have any reports that you would like created, let us know and we'd be happy to create it for you. For right now, I'm just going to show you an example contact report. This will get all of the guardian contacts for the whole school. You can also do an individual classroom. So for example, if I just want the Hungry Hippos, I can generate a report just for the Hungry Hippos. You'll see that I've not marked the student date of birth yet or a phone number for the mother, but all of this information can show up too. Parents are able to add this information if you do not have it on hand. You can then export it as a comma-separated value file, or you can print it out as a PDF. And you can place this in the classrooms as well. Finally, we do have a documents feature, although I recommend getting into contact with one of our account managers or sales representatives in order to get more information about this. We do support two types of documents. A document request is one where parents can upload photos or documents on their own. So a great example of this is COVID results. So we have schools that are uploading COVID results weekly, monthly, whatever pace that they'd like. And then you're going to be able to see all of the submissions over here. We also have a document form where you can upload your own document in order to use for parents to fill out. So here I'm using the California Licensing 700 form. I'm just going to call this the licensing form, licensing enrollment form. This is what the document looks like. You are able to go in and actually create your own text fields and all this, manage that here, make them required, not required. But for right now, I'm just going to use our auto tag feature. If it is a fillable PDF, it will automatically figure out where everything is supposed to go. There will be some extra things going on here. For example, this seems a little bit extra. We don't need that. The business telephone, we might want to make optional. Home telephone, we might want to make optional. You can play around with the field. We have a lot of these forms already uploaded, and I highly recommend getting into contact with a member of our team who can help assist you with creating one of these. You'll see the signature. I'm going to delete that and actually place in a signature field. Cool, and I can press continue. Right now I only have Jenny. I'm not going to send this out to any parents, but this will give them an alert, letting them know that they have a document to fill out. And now I have a document for the families to fill out. Parents will be able to fill this out both on the app as well as on the website. You're also able to fill out documents on behalf of family members too. If you press complete, this is what it will look like. So for example, if in the case of Samantha, so yeah, you're able to fill out all of this, You're able to fill out all of this information here. I'm gonna go back for now, but that is exactly how it would happen. Yeah, and that's pretty much the overview of Playground. Thank you so much.